Alright, here we have the Broan BENL8 fan light unit. And the purpose of this video is to show you how to get at the motor assembly, how to take the grill off, just in case you need to clean or replace a component in the unit. The first thing you would do is you would remove this grill and lens assembly. This grill basically just slides on. So you would just grab onto the grill and remove it. If you take a look, there's clips on the grill, one on each side, and it basically attaches to this grill frame. Next step, what you're going to do is you're going to unplug this light assembly. You can grab hold and just pull down on that light assembly and remove it. You can set that grill assembly on the side. The next thing to do would be to remove this grill. To remove the grill, there are two screws. I'm going to take a drill and remove each screw, or you could use a 1/4 inch nut driver or a Phillips screwdriver. Once the two screws are out, this frame will come down. Next step, if you need to get at the motor assembly, you can unplug it just by grabbing hold and pulling down on it. There's two screws holding this fan assembly. All you need to do is just loosen the screws. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. This whole fan assembly will pull straight down from the ceiling. If you take a look, I have the fan assembly in my hand. Now for cleaning purposes, you could take a vacuum cleaner and you could vacuum the fan blade or the fan wheel off, or any dust that accumulated on this unit. You could take it outside if you had an air compressor and lightly blow the dust and lint off of it as well. If you were replacing this unit or this motor, you would purchase this whole fan assembly, and you would just reverse the procedure for putting it back in, which would be just taking this unit and lining it up, dropping it down. It'll snap into place. You're going to tighten both screws that you loosen. There goes one. Here goes two. Don't forget to plug that fan assembly back in like so. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to put that frame back on again. Two screws. And this grill can be wiped down with a damp dishcloth. Once both screws are on, it's time to grab that grill and light lens. Don't forget, you need to plug it in. So you're just going to take it and put it into the plug like so. And you're going to attach that grill back onto that frame. And that's all it is. I sure hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.